Good morning, class 10th. Today I discuss about the power of electric current, rate of doing work, or rate at which energy is consumed or produced is called power. P is equal to W by T. P is equal to W by T or equal to energy by T. T means time. Unit of power, joule per second and or watt. Unit of SI unit of power is equal to watt. P is equal to E by T. Electrical energy is equal to potential electrical energy equal to power into time. Unit of electrical energy equal to watt second, but commercial unit of electrical energy is kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1000 watt and 3600 second equal to 3.6 into 10 to power 6 joule. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1 unit. Power is equal to E by T is equal to H by T equal to I square RT by T. T cancel. So P is equal to I square R. P is equal to VI. P is equal to VA square by R. Heating effect of electric current is used in many devices like bulb, fuse, iron, toaster, geyser, heater, etc. When current passes in a bulb, then filament of bulb heated to produce heat 3000 degrees Celsius. Some current also used to produce light. Fuse is a safety device in a circuit and it is attached in series way in a circuit. There are different types of fuse. When excess current passes through a circuit due to short circuit or other fault, then fuse wire melts due to more heat or current to save other electrical appliances. Electrical heat is produced in a circuit or device, so for protecting device we use fan or air ventilation etc. Rating of electrical appliance. When we take electric power and voltage together, then it is called rating of electric appliance. Example, on bulb 220 volt and 60 watt is written. This is rating of electric bulb or appliance. Thank you.